Good morning. Yes, we have more of you joining the meeting. So good morning. A los que acá ahorita están entrando ya, good morning. Good morning, Esthercita. Hello, Elías. Elías, ¿puedes escucharme, Elías? Estoy viendo que me ponen. Oh, ok, Elías. Good.
Vaya, por favor, que me está doliendo el estómago.
Me alegra que verlos tempranito, miren. Qué bueno, para que empecemos a trabajar. Great job. Ya desayunaron. You have your breakfast. O hasta después de la clase. Oh, qué bueno, aquí me contesta. Muy bien, sí, ya desayunaron. Ok, good. Excellent. Let's see how many we are. We are 15. Maybe we can wait one more minute for the rest of your classmates to join in. For our reading class of today. We have more people joining in. Excellent. Una mañana tan fresquita, tan linda que el Señor nos ha dado. It's great. Qué lindo verlos, a los que puedo ver, miren. ¿Verdad, Carlitos? Con su suéter bien puestecito, bien lindo, bien preparado. Daniela, excelente, con esos hermosos audífonos. Mía, bien linda, bien peinadita. Los felicito. Qué bueno que puedo ver a algunos de ustedes. Okay, I think it's time to begin. The rest of our classmates. Good morning, David. Here, have a good morning from David. Okay. The rest of your classmates are going to join in a little bit later. But we are ready for our class now. Let's see, we are going to share our screen. Let's have a look. Let's begin sharing our screen. Let me see here. Okay, here we are. As you know, today we are going to have a look at a very nice and special unit that talks about animals. We all love animals, characteristics of the animals, how they live, how they behave. They are beautiful. Some of them are big, others are small, okay? But each of them have a purpose inside our environment. Okay, they all are important in nature. That's why today we are going to talk about animal communities. Our last class was community helpers, remember? Well, now inside our animal kingdom, we also have communities, and we are going to learn about them. Let's begin by answering the question, what is an animal community? What is an animal community? Can everybody see? Are you able to see the presentation? Can you please write yes if everybody is able to see the presentation? Here where it says animal communities, can you see it? Let me see if you can see it. I need to know if everybody can see it. Yes, yes, Mia says yes. Okay, great job. Here we have Marianne says yes, Mario, Jose. Okay, then here we are. Then let's continue. What is an animal community? As you remember, our community helpers are those that help to the place where we live. So a community is going to be a group or an association of a population. Where there are more than 2 or 3 people, that's a community. Also with animals. In ecology, a community is a group or association of populations of 2 or more different species. Okay, here we have 2 or more species, different animals living together, right? Occupying the same geographical area at the same time. So different animals living together in the same area, okay? The term community has a variety of uses. It refers to groups or organisms in a specific place or time. For example, let's see, here we have, um, let's have a look. Here we have a community, the fish community of Lake Ontario. Maybe you can have a look at it. Beautiful. They are so beautiful, their colors, but you can see that they are fish, but they are different. Some of them are big, others are small, and some of them behave in a certain way. They do this and that, but the others, they do something different. How do they live? They live differently. Some of them have their homes under the rocks. Others have their homes on corals. Others, they have homes on the sand inside the ocean. Okay, so they behave and they live differently. That's why this is a fish community on Lake Ontario. Let's have a look here. We also have group of animals helping each other and creating a community. They help each other exactly the same, very similar as when we saw community helpers, because they helped us, we help them, we can help our neighbor, we can help our friend that lives in front of our house, okay? We help each other. Animals, they do the same thing. They help each other. They have learned to live together, right? They fight. Yes, they fight, right? Sometimes because of their food, because of water, right? Maybe one animal is going to eat another one, okay? But that is like part of their survival, como sobreviven. They have to eat each other, right? Because they are carnivores. But they also help each other. You can have a look over here. Look, this big elephant. What is the elephant doing? Okay, write to me your answers. Can you see the elephant? What is the elephant doing? Here we have the zebras. What are they doing? Are they fighting? Are they running? What is the elephant doing? Right? Josue says, yes, he's bringing water to the zebras. Very good. Here we have Carlitos. Excellent. He is giving water to the zebras. Maybe they are helping the zebras because they need water to survive. They are taking a bath. He is helping the zebras by throwing them water. They are not fighting. They are not running. They are helping each other. And they live together and they are different. One is an elephant and the others are zebras, right? So they know how to live together. This is a big example of a community, animal community. Okay, let's stop sharing this screen so we can continue with the other one. Okay, let's have a look. We are also going to have a look at other examples of communities in our books. Can you please open your books Do you have your book ready? Do we have our books ready? Let's open our book. Is unit very good, Daniela? Is unit 6, animal community. We are going to continue with our animal communities. Here we have our animal communities. Can't you see it? Can't you see it, babies? Tell me if you're able to see it. Let me see. No, 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 it says no. Okay, let's have a look. What can we do? Let's see if we can find it here, because we should be able to see it. Let me just have a look over here. But prepare your books so we can have a look at it. Can't you see it now? Let's see if we can see it now. I don't think we can see it now. Let me see if we can see it now. Here we have it. Can we see it now? Let's see what the chat says. No, we cannot see it. Okay, what we're going to do, because we're having trouble here. We're having a little bit of trouble. Let's see, let's try once again. Let's see what we can do. Let's see here. But this is our audio. Let's try it again. Just give me a little bit of time. Let's try to see what's going on. It doesn't appear over here. Okay, what we are going to do is that I'm going to guide you. We cannot see right now the book, but I'm going to guide you, okay? Because you can hear me, right? Can you hear me? Can you write to me on the chat if you can hear me? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to have a look at the book and you follow with your book. It's not going to appear on the screen, but you can follow with me the class, okay? I'm going to check from time to time that we are understanding and that we are reading together our book, right? So open your books, page 40. We're gonna work on 40 and 41. Page 40 and 41. The thing is that I'm having a little bit of trouble with the internet. So maybe that's why we can't open that page, that web page. But we can follow the reading. Okay, so I'm going to read it and you are going to follow the reading and we are going to solve it together. Okay, and I'm going to come from time to time to check that you have all the answers and that we are understanding. Do we know what we have to do? Yes, ya sabemos qué vamos a hacer. Yes. Yes, right? Yes, if you know what you're going to do. Page 40 of your book. 40, 41, 42, and 43. You know what you're going to do? Yes, Santiago. Josue says yes. Okay, yes. Excellent. Very good. Okay, I'll go to my book and I'm going to guide you, right? That way we can all work together. Okay. Just give me a couple of minutes. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's see, let's see. We are in animal communities. Animal communities. I'm just getting ready over here, so just give me a couple of seconds. Okay, here we are. African animal communities. What do you know about animal communities? Well, we already know that animal communities are a group of animals living on the same area. We are sharing the same area, right? So we are going to answer true or false now that we have the picture of animal communities and we have our question. It says number 1, animal communities only have one kind of animal. Is it true or false? We saw in the information that there are many animals or species living together. So number 1 is false. Number 2, different animals sometimes help each other. Animal communities are similar to our communities. Let's see, number 2, different animals sometimes help each other. We saw in the picture the elephant helping the zebras. So they help each other. So it's true. And then we have animal communities that are similar to our communities. Are they similar to what we do? Do we help each other? Yes, we do. So it is true as well. Okay. True or false with animals? Question. This is page 40. Let's see 41. Here we have our vocabulary. We have wild, watch, drop, tusk, trunk, and scream. Okay, we are going to find those words and we are going to circle them. There we have our scramble, our crossword puzzle, and we are going to find those words and circle them. So I'll give you some seconds so we can do it. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it. With colors, yes, we can use colors. Do we know what we have to do? Remember that first part? The first part, we answered the questions, true and false. And now the second part, we are circling our vocabulary words, right? We are circling our vocabulary words. When you find all the words and you have circled them, you write to me and say, okay, Miss, I finished. I finished. Write it down. Miss, I finished. There are 6 words that we need to find in that crossword puzzle. Excellent, Rodrigo, I finished. David, I finished. Excellent, great job. Okay, once you're done, write to me, I finished. Very good, Daniela, excellent. She's done, she finished already. Very good. Just find those 5 words and circle them. Good, Adi, very good, I finished. Ricardo, finished. Okay, excellent, great job. Those words are good. Esther, she says she already finished too. Very good. Well done. Okay, more finished messages. Good. Okay, now that we already find the, now that we found those words, we are going to continue. Let's have a look. It says practice. That is our next exercise. Now that we have seen the vocabulary words, wild is where the animals live. Watch is the action that we do. We watch the landscape, we watch the beautiful place. Okay, we have a look on something. Then we have drought, that is when there's no water. So the land gets dry. We have tusk, that is that big bone that the elephant has. Then we have the trunk, that is what he uses to drink water. Okay, that he takes water from the trunk, and he also breathes from the trunk. He breathes. Scream. This big, this nice girl is screaming. Just look at her face. Ah, she's screaming. Yeah. So now let's practice. Read and choose the correct word. The next exercise. The land is very dry because there is a drought or wild. If it's dry, we learn no water. So we circle drought, drought. Okay, it's dry, it's drought. Number two, people are screaming or watching planes in the sky. If we are having a look at the sky, we are watching planes in the sky. Number three, elephants spray water with their tusks or trunks. Let's have a look at the picture. They spray water with that long trunk. So we circle trunk, not tusk. Number two, the girl is screaming or visiting because she's scared. Oh my gosh, she's really scared. So look at her face. What is she doing? She is screaming, not visiting. Number five, elephant hoses or tusks are long and white. Okay, we have here the elephant with the those big like bones, white bones, and these are tusks. They are long and white. Number five is tusk. And number six, in Africa, there are many animals in the wild. Okay, or they live in the trunk. No, the trunk is a part of the elephant. They live in the wild. They live in the wild. Okay, so now that we have finished, I'm going to give anyway like 1 or 2 minutes if you're still circling the answers. Did we understand that part? Did we completed that part? Yes? No? Do we have a question? Oh, Mia says she finishes. Excellent. Carlitos too. Well done. Excellent. Great job. Very good. David says yes, he finished. Do we have any questions? Any questions? Okay, Ricardo says he's ready. Great job, Ricardo. Good. Okay, I hope we finished the exercise, that we completed everything. Okay, those are pages 40 and 41. Let's move on to our story about African animals or animal communities. We have a question from Adriana. If we are going to draw the unit in our notebook, well, that could be a good idea. If you want to, because animals are very interesting creatures, you can draw the unit in your notebook. That would be a wonderful idea. So you can draw your favorite animal. Or if you have more than one animal that you like, then you can draw them in your notebook. Okay, and you write the unit that is unit number 6. That's a good idea. If you want to, you can do it. Okay, let's move on to pages 42 and 43. It's our story. You are going to listen to an audio The audio, we can open it, I think. Let's give it a try. We are going to listen to the audio and you're going to follow the reading. Okay, we're going to follow the reading. Let's see if we can open our audio. Let's have a look if we can do it. Okay, here it is. Please write to me if you're able to listen to it. Okay, póngame si lo escucha, por favor. Right? Yes, ahorita. We're going to listen to it right now, and please help me saying yes or no.
African animal communities.
Can you hear it?
Did you know that different African animals make communities? They help each other stay safe in the
Yes
wild.
or no?
Ostriches have strong eyes, but they have bad ears and noses.
Christian, say yes.
Zebras can't see well, but their ears and noses are strong. So, ostriches and zebras live together.
Yes.
The ostriches watch for danger, and the zebras smell and listen for it. That way.
Okay, please raise your hand as a reaction if you can hear it. Si lo puede escuchar. Raise your hand if you can hear it. Oh, okay, you can hear it. Here we have raising hands. David raised his hand. Cristiano también. Okay, excellent. Then let's start over again. Follow your reading, please. Let's follow the reading. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
African animal communities. Did you know that different African animals make communities? They help each other stay safe in the wild. Ostriches have strong eyes, but they have bad ears and noses. Zebras can't see well, but their ears and noses are strong. So, ostriches and zebras live together. The ostriches watch for danger, and the zebras smell and listen for it. That way, they both stay safe. During droughts, olive baboons can't find water, but African elephants can dig water holes. They use their tusks, trunks, and feet. By doing this, the elephants help the baboons get water. The baboons help the elephants too. They scream loudly if the elephants are in danger. These animals live together happily. What other animals help each other?
Okay, great. Excellent. Okay, did you hear it? Were you able to hear it? The beautiful story about animals and how they help each other? Right, yes or no, if you were able to hear the story. Some of you already sent me messages saying yes, but did you hear how interesting their animals' life is? It was really, really nice, really interesting. Okay, now we are going to answer the questions. We have 2 questions over there. We have 2 questions, and we are going to answer them. So let's see. We need to answer them. We have questions on page 42 and 43 that we need to answer. How do these different animals help each other? We heard the story and we see that they help each other to keep them safe. They protect themselves. They help each other with protection. They help each other finding food. Okay, so how do these different animals help each other? Let's write it down, right? It helps for them, each other with protection, with Giving food, okay? Also, how can you help other people in your community? That's another good question. So we have question number 1, how do animals protect each other, help each other? Who can write for me an answer that you already wrote on your book? How do animals help each other? We already discussed it on the story. They protect each other, for example. Help me answering that question. Ostriches watch for danger, said David. Excellent, David. Wonderful answer. Yeah, they protect each other. They watch for danger. Okay, that's a good answer. Who has another answer for that question? Write it down in the chat. Another answer that you have. The one that you wrote on your book. How do they help each other, the animals? Okay, because they help each other, Carlitos, but how? What do they do? They help each other to find food. That's another example. They help each other to find food. Yeah, very good. Excellent. Very good, Carlitos. They help each other finding water. Some animals find water, so they help the other animals, right? They find water. Very good. Zebras smell and listen. Yeah, very good. They smell and they listen. They pay attention to the noise on their surrounding, a su alrededor. So if another animal comes, they can help the rest of the animals to protect them and warning them, les avisa. And that way they can run away from danger. Very good. Okay, that is the other question. And the last question that we have on page 43 is, how can we help our community? So here is your opinion. How can you help your community? What can you do to help your community? I think it will be a good suggestion, or different suggestions that I can give you is, for example, number 1, how can I help my community? By keeping my community clean. Okay, clean. Esthercita, we already discussed page 42, 43, 44, and 45. I gave you time to work, and we already solved it. So you can do it right now. Porque ya lo estuvimos viendo en toda la clase. We saw the answers, we found the words, right? And you had to do it. You had to circle it. You had to answer it, because we were discussing the answers. Estuvimos discutiendo las respuestas y ustedes completando los ejercicios en ese momento, right? How excellent, David. Keep your neighborhood clean. Excellent, Esthercita. Ya lo hicimos. Excellent. Oh, very good. By keeping by keeping my park clean. Okay, if you have a park close to your house, you can keep it clean. Okay, different ways how you can help your community. You can help your communities by being a good friend with your neighbors, not fighting, right? Finish, Carlitos. Excellent. Mario says recycling. Excellent. Great job. You can recycle. And that way you can keep your neighborhood clean. Well done. Perfect. Excellent. Okay, if we already finished, write a yes in your chat. If we completed all the exercise. Pages 41, 40, 41, 42, and 43. Daniela says, yes, yes, Ricardo, Adriana. Oh, everybody finished. Look at this. Great job. Excellent. Very good. Esthercita, she already finished. Very good. Mario says yes as well. David, yes. Very good. Okay. Any questions? Very good, Christiana. You already finished it. Mia, yes. Very good, Mia. No questions? Santiago says yes as well. No questions, says Cristiano. Okay. Great job. Very good. Remember to send me your photos, okay? The photos of what we did today. Very good job, babies. Muchas gracias por haber venido a la clase, por estar pendientes, por traer todo su material de trabajo, por participar. Muchísimas gracias, chicos. Nos vemos en EFL más tardecito entonces. Okay? So I'm going to leave you. I'm going to allow you to unmute yourselves and connect your microphone if you want to say bye. Okay, so we finish our class. See you later, okay, on the EFL class.
Adiós.
Bye, sweetie. Bye, Chris.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, mi amor.
Carlos, estás en la luna.
Bye, sweetie. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, I can see your background. Me encanta esa parte del espacio, Carlos. ¿Te ves? Súper increíble. Really nice.
Traemos una piedra lunar.
Yeah, that's where he is. Outer space. En el espacio. Bye, sweeties. Bye, bye. Dios me los bendiga. Bye, mis amores. Bye, bye.